In this lesson, we'll be talking about the FilletXpert. Click the Fillet tool and press the FilletXpert tab. FilletXpert creates and edits fillets with a constant radius. Okay, let's select this edge. Enter a value of 5 millimeters. Click Apply. Now let's select this edge, click a value of 3, and apply. Now click on the Change tab. You'll see the fillets which we just created. Click on the 5 millimeter fillet and let's resize it to 6. So you just enter your value here, click on the Resize button. Simple. We'll do the same to the 3 millimeter fillet. Let's enter a new value of 2 millimeters. Okay, we can select the fillet and press Remove to get rid of it. Let's accept these changes and try a couple more fillets. This time we'll select this line and leave it at a 10 millimeter value. Now let's select this edge and create a 15 millimeter fillet. Okay, let's go back to the FilletXpert. Click on the Change tab, and you'll see that both of those fillets that we just made appear right here. We can edit them, change the 15 millimeter fillet to 12 millimeters, for example. And we'll resize it with this button. And that concludes our discussion of the FilletXpert.